Hi. So in my earlier videos, I've shared how I'm using the 5-step approach to achieve my goals. Today I'm going to show you how I achieved a milestone in my final goal of yoga mastery, the milestone of the handstand before the scheduled time. So and that's where I'll begin with showing you my goals. These are my daily habits that I'm doing every day. One here means that I am doing this goal. Blank means I haven't done this today. So if you look at the month of April, except the dates 1st of April and 3rd of April, I have been doing yoga every day. Now you can achieve any goal using the 5 simple steps. You just gotta follow the procedure, and I've laid down the procedure in step-by-step detail in a 6-part short video series on my channel, so look it up.